Next step, let us continue with the connection. Connection in this, initially we'll go with the welded connection. If it is welded connection, how to connect the angle or channel and I section. So for the connection, we should consider additional force So this is $320mm in channel section. So we should consider what is the force coming at this particular joint. Okay, so we should calculate what is the force coming at this particular joint. So how to calculate that force? We know that from here to here the total distance is 280.6 millimeter, that is CXX, and so force at the junction F is equal to V into AY bar divided by IXX. Okay, so what is V here? V, the shear force, what we have already calculated, 517.88 kilonewton, 0.88 into 10 power 3 Newton, right? So IXX is also with us, 217,525.8 into 10 power 4 mm power 4. So only unknown thing is AY bar. AY bar. So for this diagram, how to calculate the AY bar? Let us consider this as XX axis. So to calculate AY bar equals to area of channel section, that is 6293, multiplied by Y bar, that is 280.6, minus what is the CXX distance for this channel section. We will be having somewhere here as the CXX for the channel section, 24.2 CXX for channel section. C value for channel section, 280.6 minus 24.2 for the first member, that is channel section from the reference axis. 320 into 12 is the plate. So here we are going to consider this as the first member and this is the second this as the third member. Overall distance is 280.6 minus the first web thickness of the channel section, that is 8.6, minus 12 by 2 is the thickness of that cover plate. So second part is over. We want to calculate at this particular junction, so only we are going to consider 1 and 2 itself. So this third one is not necessary, because we are concentrating on at that particular joint. So what is AY bar to that point? AY bar equals to 2.632 into 10 power 6 mm cube. Area into Y bar. This is the value. So in this equation we got everything. Let us put together. F is equal to 517.88 into 10 power 3 multiplied by AY bar, that is 2.632 into 10 power 6 divided by IXX, that is 217,525.8 into 10 power 4, which will give us force, that is 6.62 Newton per millimeter. Consider first one is what? V, that is in terms of Newton. V is in terms of Newton. And next AY bar in terms of millimeter cube, and the bottom one I value is millimeter power 4. So the remaining unit is Newton per millimeter force. Right. So now let us equate this force to calculate the size of the weld. Okay, shall I erase this? Yes. So equating the F value with strength of the weld. So what is strength of the weld formula? F is equal to 4 into 0.7 into S, that is size of the weld, multiplied by length of the weld, multiplied by ultimate strength to the factor of safety. Okay. So here what is the force? 626.62. 626.62 Newton per millimeter, and 4 multiplied by 0.7. Size of the weld we are going to calculate, so let it be S. This is S. And length of the weld, just imagine for 1 millimeter what is the weld size we are going to get. And what is FU? Is the 410 root 3 into gamma MW is how much? 125 for the ultimate strength. So just calculate the strength of the weld with the above equations of size of the weld. S is equal to 1.18 millimeter, but code says minimum size of the weld is 3 millimeter. Minimum size of the weld is 3 millimeter. So you can go above 3 millimeter because we got 1.18. We can stick to minimum size of the weld, that S is equal to 3 millimeter or 5 millimeter even. Okay, so this is how size of the weld can be done. So the next, suppose if you want to go with the bolted connection, suppose if you want to go with the bolted connection, how to do? Let us check that. For the same problem, instead of welded connection, if you go to bolted, we need to calculate how many number of bolts to be provided and what is the pitch distance of the bolt we should calculate. So pitch of bolt is equal to bolt value to the force which is coming on the structure. So we already calculated what is the force coming on the structure, that is force is equal to 626.6 Newton per millimeter. We have already 626.62 Newton per millimeter, which we have already calculated. So we should calculate here is bolt value. So what is the bolt value? So how to calculate the bolt value? To calculate bolt value, we should fix first what is the type of the bolt we are going to provide. For that, let us consider M16 bolts of grade 8.8, grade 8.8 HSFG bolts. That means to say high strength friction grip bolts. For that, we should calculate the bolt value first. So bolt value is equal to, what is the formula we are having? 1 divided by gamma to the mu F into NE into KH into F naught. So this formula is available in page 76 of IS 800. So here for friction, high strength friction grip bolt, if you follow the page number 76, for mu F it is 0.55 and NE, there will be two planes crossing that bolt to connect. So consider NE equals to 2 and KH equals to 1 as per the code. If you go through the sentence, you will understand. And F naught is equal to small f naught multiplied by net area of the bolt. So what is small f naught? Again, small f naught is equal to 0.7 into ultimate strength of the bolt. So if we want f naught, small f naught into net area of the bolt we should consider. If we want f naught, 0.7 times the ultimate strength of the bolt we should consider. As we are using 8.8 grade, what is the ultimate strength of the bolt? Yes, it will be 800. So 0.7 into 800 is the f naught value. Here it will become 0.7 into 800 into net area of the bolt. How much we should consider? 0.78 into pi d square by 4 is the net area of the bolt. So if we solve this, we are going to get, let us solve here, 1 by factor of safety, let us by 1.25 into mu f 0.55 into 2 into kh is 1 into for f naught 0.7 into 800 into 0.78 into pi d square by 4. So if you solve, bolt value will be 77.28 into 10 power 3 newtons we are going to get. So now bolt value you got, force you got, calculate the pitch of bolt. Equals to, bolt value is how much? 77.28 into 10 power 3 divided by, what is the force? 6.62 Newton per millimeter, and this is in Newton. So what is the pitch of the bolt? Pitch of the bolt equals to 123.3 millimeter. 123. So let us round off to 120 millimeter center to center as pitch of bolt. Okay. So with this you can understand, bolts required to the whole length is at 120 mm center to center. You need to provide bolts to resist the 6 to 6.62 Newton per millimeter force